We are the children of the ones who did not die. We are the children of the people who can fly. We are the children of the ones who persevere. We are fearless, we are strong, and we're ready to carry our faith.
Across this country, artists and culture bearers are shaping the future. They carry stories, keep traditions alive, and create new possibilities. However, leadership programs haven't always reflected their ways of knowing, or their communities, their histories. For many culturally rooted visionaries, leadership pathways were built on dominant norms, approaches that don't match the lived experiences of those working for the change we need to see. That's why a group of long-standing cultural organizations came together to do something different. Alternate Roots, First Peoples Fund, NALAC, the National Association of Latino Arts and Cultures, the Pu'I Foundation, Sipp Culture, or the Mississippi Center for Cultural Production, and the International Association of Blacks in Dance. These partner organizations share a belief shaped by decades of work. To create real change in communities, leadership needs to grow from cultural knowledge, shared accountability, and the power of interconnected histories. This is the Intercultural Leadership Institute, ILI, a fellowship program for diverse artists and culture bearers committed to building stronger, deeper connections and nurturing authentic leadership. ILI is built on an intercultural approach, one that embraces spaces where experiences overlap while honoring the places where stories differ. It challenges dominant norms and invites fellows to see leadership as interconnected relationships. In ILI, fellows move into shared learning shaped by trust, by mutual respect, and by the understanding that every culture carries critical knowledge. Through this cohort-based model, intercultural leaders cultivate personal and professional skills needed to respond to profound shifts happening all around us. Social shifts, political shifts, environmental and economic challenges that have always impacted our communities. They learn from one another. They learn from partners, facilitators, and trailblazers in the field. And they build a collective capacity to influence not only their own communities, but the broader national and even global arts and culture landscape. ILI fellows emerge with a deeper understanding of themselves and their interconnected futures. They carry forward a vision of arts and culture that is rooted in strength and collective transformation. This is leadership grounded in culture. This is leadership shaped by fellowship. This is what leadership looks like.
We are strong and we're ready.